In this video, a detailed look at the Polaris Solo wallet and Secret mini wallet. Polaris are a Polish factory of leather goods designing and factoring minimalist wallets. I thought it would be cool to compare the Polaris Solo wallet with a real benchmark product, the popular Secret mini wallet made in Holland. I've previously reviewed the Secret mini wallet, Slim wallet and Secret twin wallet. Secret wallets set a high standard for quality and desirability. Both Slim wallets share similar materials. Both wallets can hold cash bills, each have this awesome credit card eject mechanism, and offer RFID technology which protects against unauthorized scanning of cards equipped with a contactless payment chip. But does it work? I'll do a quick real-world test of the RFID blocking. Starting with the Polaris Solo wallet, let's take a look at the outer materials. The Polaris Solo wallet has a soft, high-quality Italian leather. It's a full-grain leather made with veg chrome tanning. The veg properties give a natural look and shine, and the chrome tanning guarantees strength for resistance to pulls and rips. Polaris have been producing leather products since the 1930s, continuing a family tradition, so lots of heritage here. For disclosure, the wallets featured in today's video were sent to me for free, but if they suck, I'll tell you. One of the wallets I bought myself, I'll point that out when I get to it. I keep these videos concise and factual for you, so if the video helps you in any way, please hit the like button or just watch the video to the end, which is what helps me out the most. Thanks. Next, the Secret mini wallet Original Black. We see a naturally glossy finish with corrected grain leather. They're made in Holland and Italy from European cowhide. This semi-aniline leather gives you a thin protective top coat, making it easy to maintain. Side to side, the Polaris Solo shows off a little more of the leather's natural grain. Secret does offer quite a lot of different types of leather finish to choose from if you don't favour this smooth finish. Some immediate comparisons: the contrasting grey stitching gives fantastic aesthetic detailing on the Secret mini wallet. The leather is pinched on the Secret wallet where the press stud is fixed. The Polaris wallet is a lot tidier here. The exposed reverse side of the leather is super soft on the Secret wallet. This is hidden on the Polaris Solo wallet, which is reinforced with polyester lining for additional strength and rigidity to better secure your cash. Otherwise, you'd see the same soft reverse, like on this Polaris minimalist wallet, one of the other samples received. Let's take a look at the outer storage solution. Sticking with the Secret wallet, we have two external card pockets here. These pockets don't benefit from RFID protection, but are great for ID cards or similar. And here we have this plastic, I think, for securing your cash bills. I personally find this awkward to use and access. I feel like I'm unraveling a burrito to take the lettuce out. Once you've got your cash in the Secret wallet, it is held securely. As I've previously demonstrated on an earlier video seen here, you can get rather a lot of cash in a Secret wallet, albeit with the wallet losing its slim profile. So in comparison, the Polaris Solo unfolds to expose these three non-RFID protected card slots, and a much easier to access cash compartment. We can see the Polaris Solo is a little wider when empty. They allowed a little more material here, giving thought to what's needed when the wallet is loaded. Just like the Secret wallet, the Polaris wallet is a storage monster if needed. Let's see, I have some pretend money today. This stash is about what I put in the Secret wallet, and the Polaris Solo still folds and closes perfectly. Secret have a couple of variants around this design. Here's a Secret Slim wallet I purchased myself a few years ago, virtually identical to the mini wallet but without this fastener. There's also a twin wallet which has two of these aluminium center compartments. As I've reviewed those previously, just see the links in the video description if you want to learn more about those, and please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Thanks. Polaris also offer model variants, quite a lot. If you must have a coin holder, they have that. If you must go slimmer, they've got that too. I want to take a look at my personal favourite, the Polaris Bono RFID wallet. This one is slightly slimmer than the Solo, and there's less folded leather. I love this, what looks like Cordura or similar nylon type strap. This stuff is super durable and looks a lot more modern than the purse-like button of the Secret wallet. It doubles as a pen holder. We have two outer card compartments and a flap here for more. The stitched-on strap continues around the aluminium center credit card compartment, which means you can push folded cash either side of it, making the Polaris Bono wallet very versatile. And how cool is this? It's the first wallet I've reviewed with a dedicated SIM card slot. There's links to all of the wallets featured today in the video description. They are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small amount at no extra cost to you if you choose to buy a wallet. Let's stay on task with the video topic, comparing the Polaris Solo wallet and Secret Mini wallet. And let's check out the RFID aluminium credit card compartments. The core part of the Secret wallet is its aluminium card holder. You can buy this part only as a separate product called the Secret Card Protector. The first version of this was a Red Dot Design International Award winner in 2010. Your contactless payment cards placed in this center compartment are protected from unwanted RFID and NFC skimming, which prevents people stealing your card's data. Said to carry 6 cards, but most bank cards have embossed writing, so I find 4 are a more comfortable fit and allow proper operation of the patented mechanism. The push lever ejects cards in a fan-like fashion, allowing them to be selected easily. The manufacturers say that the mechanism can be operated 250,000 times without any problem. The aluminium center card holder on the Polaris Solo wallet offers the same capacity and protection against theft or unauthorized scanning. Even with just one card in each credit card holder, they will fit securely without falling out. Notice the push lever on the Polaris Solo is a little larger. This mechanism is their own registered design. Polaris also sell this center part separately as a solo product if you prefer, called the Zen RFID credit card holder. The operation of both wallets' mechanisms are smooth and satisfying. Don't be tempted by cheap overseas alternatives and copies. They rattle and are made from flimsy materials and really just don't work well. Both Secret and Polaris products I've shown you today are high quality, immaculately made items that will work reliably. So what about the RFID protection? Here's a mock-up bank card I've made with an NFC sticker attached. As a control, let's first test this in a regular non-RFID protected wallet. And as you can see, the app on my phone is able to detect the card. Remember I said the outer leather pockets of the Secret wallet and Polaris wallet are not RFID protected. So I'll just demonstrate that for you. Easily detected. This is the same for both Secret and Polaris wallets. So let's try the RFID protected central compartments. First I have the Secret wallet. And as you can see, we have no chance of detecting the card now. By the way, a real bank card has a built-in antenna around its perimeter and is a lot easier to scan. The card I've made only bounces back a weak signal, which is why we have to get so close. Next, the Polaris Solo wallet. That's a pass for the Polaris wallet also. I can't find anything that significantly separates these wallets apart from price. At the time of making the video, the Polaris Solo wallet cost quite a lot less than the Secret Mini wallet. Which was your favourite?